while I see if there's anything. I can just grab a bow real quick and shoot him. So we're gonna get this thing dirt bike. We got was broken. Broken. So, you know, I fixed it. Now it's Mint. Right here she is. She is, we'll start her up. You guys can get her ready. Got her started. Mount you guys. Up on the helmet. Did new clutch. Up my helmet. Dude, we're gonna try to hit a jump. We're gonna try to jump this thing. I've done it before. Not very high, but disregard the point. Still jumped it. My dad's hayfield, guys. The hill in his hayfield. Got the new clutch handle, works great. No better than the old one. The old one, it was like, it broke. My dad actually broke that. That thing isn't very sturdy, so we're gonna try to hit a jump. Gonna hit fast, that hill right up there. Done it before. I've never done it on camera. You gotta get her going. So, woo! No air. But, man, no air, but still fun. not good with wheelies. If you watch my last video on the dirt bike, I'm not very good with wheelies. Woo! Holy crap, was that fun! Oh my god! That is the best wheelie I have ever done in my entire life, and that was a horrible one. Holy crap! Oh, look, wait so much! That says crap. Simple little dirt bike. Woo! What's up, mate? How's it going? Give her all of it. She doesn't like all of it. Woo! She loves it. Give her the stinking beans. See, that was a good wheelie, dude. Run into it. Woo! How's it going, old boy? How's it going? Good? What you got? Box? Nice. You got a box. What's in the box? A bird. Good spot to do a little wheelie. See what we can do. Ah, that was horrible. Make sure she's in first. Trying to ride a wheelie. The hardest part. I can't ride a wheelie. Get a new tractor tomorrow, boy. Loves the limiter. She loves it. We're gonna wreck. Okay, no, we're good. Thought I was gonna run into that. Okay, we're good though. Woo! This is fun, dude. I just love coming out here, just jumping on this stinking bike. Just a ride, dude. I love it. First time riding it in a while though, because of the broken clutch handle. Apparently that was first gear. I thought it was. Oh, what an idiot. What a freaking idiot. Why do you do this to me? Oh, there we go. Man! Alright guys, that's probably going to be it for the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed that one wheelie. That was fun. Please guys, remember to like and subscribe. We're out here in the jungle Amazon. The Amazon River. I'm just kidding. Don't stall it again. This is the old four-wheeler turn I like to call it. Limiter! And could just like fall on top of me, you know? What would go wrong? Exactly. We'll be fine. Alright. Got the... What an idiot. I stole it. What an idiot. Maybe it's a sign. Yeah, we'll be fine. It was definitely a sign. Whoops. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, better flip her over. She's leaking gas. You know, whoopsies. No. Okay, what happens when you try and give her too much and do a wheelie? Oh, we just... Whoa! Ooh. Well, that ain't good. Oh, holy crap, I am... Okay, broke some stuff. That's fine. That's not good at all. Yeah, it was a sign. It was a sign. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see if we can start and get some of that dirt out of there. Holy crap. Wow, that was fun. It's in here. Now it should be good. Now she's good. Yeah, she sounded like a piece of crap. Oh, dude, that is tucked in there, dude. Holy crap. Woo. Let's try and drive her up and park her. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. That hurt. It didn't hurt, actually, but the dirt bike's hurting. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. Have a great night. Sorry, guys, for the, I have a great night. I thought the video was going to be over, and then I turned the camera back on, so sorry for that. If you're wondering what it sounded like straight pipe, here it is. It's what it sounds like straight pipe. Got the muffler on foot. We'll take her up to the garage. God dang it, dude. Oh my god. What an idiot. What an idiot. What an idiot. Up, I guess. Yeah, couldn't, come to the factory like that. That's not good. I'm just gonna show you guys. I don't know if you saw or not. Like, look at this. Dirt, dude. Like, tried to start it and run it out. Blow it out, but it would not budge. Like, what an idiot, dude. Got this piece. Might be able to JB weld it or something. Back on here. I'm not a good driver. First the truckster, now this thing. You can probably JB weld that. Won't look great, but I wonder if I can even get that out. I don't have my pocket knife on me. Here's a knife. They're all stinking. Show them what's good for them. No, YouTube, it's not a weapon. See, we're using it as a tool. It's literally not a weapon. Can't be a weapon if we're using it as a tool, right? Yeah. Oh, it's working like a charm. Oh, now it's mint. Oh, it's not, but the end. Oh, maybe Dad won't come home tonight. That'd be good. I'm gonna get in trouble. Oh my gosh, guys. Well, that sucks. Wow. That kind of sucks. Not gonna lie. Clean that off. That really, like, that sucks. Like, sucks. So remember to like and subscribe, guys. Have a great night.